Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Crawlers NZ, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a cool miniature 1/18 scale rooftop tent for your 1/18 scale crawlers. So these are all the tools you're going to need and supplies. You're going to need a piece of cardboard, an X-Acto knife, a ruler, and a roll of duct tape. And then measure 9 down here. And then finish the rectangle off. So now we're gonna, so we see the thickness of this cardboard, which is about 0.7 of a centimeter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably make another 2 more of these rectangles right there. So I'll just do this one real quick. Alright, so now since you got all these shapes drawn on the cardboard, you're going to need to make this little bit on the top of the roof tent. This would normally be where the ladder folds over, and under the cover you can kind of see this little lump. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to trace another one of these, same width as the 6 centimeters, but half of this, so 4.5. So let me just trace that one on there real quick. So now since you got all our shapes cut out like this, we're going to have to cut them out right. So that's what we're going to be using this X-Acto blade for. And we're also going to have to do it with a ruler so you can get nice straight lines, because we don't want this looking munted. Okay, let me just cut this out real quick. So now we have all our parts cut out, and I just realized that 2 is plenty thick. We don't need the extra one, otherwise it'll be looking way too thick. So what we need to do now is we need to glue all these things together, and then we need to wrap it in the duct tape to give it that shiny finish. Just gonna glue it with hot glue because it's pretty fast. Sides like this, you're gonna have a nice shape that looks like this. Right, so now what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna have to take our duct tape and we're gonna cover it up. So put this right on top. Try not to get too many air bubbles on it, otherwise it'll be kind of hard to remove. And then we're gonna cover it. So that's gonna be the top section of it. Then we need to do the sides, the flat bit, and this other flat. So now, after you've covered your whole roof tent in the duct tape, you could probably do a better job than this, but it should look something like this. A nice roof tent for your 1/18 scale crawlers. Now you can also put a nice little like brand sticker there, or you can just put whatever sticker you want. Like I put this in the sticker, this night race sticker on that came with the truck, and it kind of looked like a brand sticker. So after you do it, you can pretty much customize whatever you want to do with it. And if you're wondering how to stick it on, you can just put some double-sided tape under this, and then like push it onto your roof, and it shouldn't come off. Like this thing is just stuck on double-sided tape, and it's not going anywhere. It's like pushed into these little roof rack holes, holders too. So thing's pretty solid in there. Well guys, I hope you learned something today. how to make this sucker. So be back next time. Make sure to subscribe, guys, like and comment.